This video is a quick overview of the value chain. The value chain basically are activities that add value to the company's products and services. So the value chain is composed of 6 possible groups of activities: research and development, design, production or purchases, marketing, distribution, and customer service. So let's talk about each of those in more detail now. Research and development, or R&D, is researching and developing new or improved products or services and the processes for producing them. Design, detailed engineering of products and services and the process for producing them. Production or purchases. These are resources used by manufacturers to produce a product or merchandising companies purchasing finished merchandise for resale. Another element of the value chain is marketing. Marketing is the promotion and advertising of products or services. Distribution. This is the delivery of products or services to customers. And then finally, customer service is support provided for customers after the sale. Many of the value chain activities occur in the order discussed here. However, it's not always in the same order. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go through an example of value chain costs. So we have Turtle City Electronics develops and manufactures smart home devices. So the first cost item, research to develop new products. This would be part of R&D element of the value chain. Next, the cost for an engineer to design a mold for a new plastic part needed in a new product is design. So we know what we're making, but we have to design the mold to make it. That would be the design part of the value chain. Wages and benefits for assembly line workers would fall under production or purchases element of the value chain. It would be production here because we're a manufacturer. If we were buying inventory and we were a retailer, that would be the purchases part. Costs of a marketing campaign for the newest product would fall under the marketing part of the value chain. Costs to deliver the products to customers would be part of the distribution costs. And finally, cost of a product helpline would be customer service. We went through those in order, but in real life, they can be in different order within a company. It doesn't always go from production to marketing. We might have marketing first to production and then back to marketing again. So it can go in any order. But that's a quick overview of the value chain. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz. Have a great day.